Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo!
Yes, everybody, wagwan, you know what time it is. Ringo Vision. I thought I'll show you guys wagwan. Come out today looking for locations, and I saw this place and I thought, let me stop in and go inside and just show you guys the different fishes that they got in there. The prices, £100 for one of these fishes, everybody. No joking. Yes, people, these are all the tropical fishes, as you can see. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. So today I'm just showing you some different type of things, people, different type of animals. Yeah man, are good vibes. Cleaner shrimp, you know. The cleaner shrimp there. This one is an emperor snakehead, everybody. You see them fish here? And fish here cost £49 each. Yeah man, a good vibe. Kitchen,
24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yes, everybody, as you can see, I come to the aquarium just to give you guys something different, show you guys, you know, some different type of water animals, some different type of fishes, some animals that come out of the water that we can't eat. So yeah man, give thanks everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Respect everybody that's logged in on the program today. As you can see today, what we've been doing, we've just been showing you different type of fishes, tropical fishes as well. We're in the tropical fish section. And yeah, some of these fishes are so expensive, man. Come look. I'll show you, yeah. And we'll go down there into the tank. We've got some fishes in here that they're really expensive. Yeah, and you've got some fishes that are not so expensive as well, everybody, yeah. So as we can look, I'll show you, say, look, we've got a whole range of fishes. I'll get some close-ups and so that you guys can see some of them at a closer point of view. So we've got these fishes in here. They're ranging from like £35 to £25, these ones in here. You know what I mean? So they've got fishes got a good value in them. So could you imagine the fishes that we eat, everybody, yeah, and the fishes that we have as pets? Yeah man, a good vibes. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, man. We're there. Yes man, a good vibe. So check out the prices of these fishes, starting from £50 going to like £100. Yeah man, a good vibes. And then we've got these fishes here, yeah, starting at £199 each, and 3 for £550. Look at that. Sorry everybody ain't able to give you a proper in the water, but as you can see that they got these fishes here in big tanks. Yeah man, but a good vibe. I still want to come out and show you guys wagwan 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We're always cooking the fishes. Today we're showing you the fishes. Yeah man, a good vibes. Yes everyone, I had to show you these ones here, the emus. I had to come out here and show you these birds, the second tallest birds by height, the emu. Yeah man, them birds that comes from Australia, people. Look at that. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah man, we have to come out, people, and show you guys what I'm going out here. Look how the bird them move, man. Put it. That one's running, look, that one's running down that one, you know. That one's running down the next one. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, a good vibes there. No, it's not a donkey. Have a second guess, everyone. Yes, that's right, everybody. Yeah man, that's some llama. So look at that 24-hour kitchen. Yeah man, that's some llama. We had to stop to show you the llamas them. Yeah man, a good vibes, and the emus them. If I pronounce the name right, a good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. So everyone, I have to make these noises just to get a close appearance. So as you can see, everybody, these birds are also far from their natural habitat. The emus and the llamas, everybody. Yeah man, a good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there, we're outside. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.